Here they are.
Oh, it's like,
Sam goes to throw away a card. And Gabe brings him another one. There we go. There you go. There we go. Thank you. Gabe, can you give him another one? Good job, Sam.
Oh, you're gonna go on forever. Keep up the cards I have. Here's another one. I don't think Gabe's thrown a single one and he just gives every single one to Sam to throw in. Oh wait, I forgot to give you this one. You guys are such a good team. What teamwork? To be on relay races together. Yeah.
There you
I
go.
think Sam's a little faster than Gabe. He seems to have a high speed.
Yeah, he's been working on running.
Where do those go, Sam?
Yeah, we don't have any more.
I don't have any. I don't have any.
There's two.
That's not for Sam. Where do those go, Sam?
Sam, here you go. I've got some cards. Would you like some more cards? Yes. There you go. Where did you put them?